Hey guys, it's Christopher Kokoski with WritingBeginner.com. Today I want to share with you 9 things that you probably didn't know that you could actually publish on Medium and earn money for. So 9 different things. So make sure you watch all the way to the end of this video. We're going to go to a screen recording in just a moment so that you can see several of these 9 things that you could be posting on Medium. If you're not a subscriber yet, this channel, Writing Secrets, is all about how to become a full-time writer and make money on Medium. I have lots of videos on Medium. I have a whole playlist, so check that out. Let's go to the screen recording. Okay guys, there are so many things that you can do on Medium that you might not be aware of. For example, one of the things that you can do is you can actually write about true crime. So you can write about murders and murder mysteries and just do like a whole true crime article. And there's publications that have to do with true crime. There's also poetry. You might have known that already, but there's a lot of poetry, and they can be short form poetry, and they can earn you money. And if you scroll through these topics, you can see there's all kinds of different things that you can write about. And you might not have known you can do a book excerpt. You can actually take an excerpt of a book that you own, and you can post some of that onto Medium. And you might not have realized all the different ways that you can use Medium to make money. And you can also do comedy and jokes, and you can actually just write a joke, or you can write a whole satirical article or post. And there's 7 things, there's 8 things, there's 9 things that you might not have known that you can do on Medium. There's cartoons you can do riddles. There's actually audio articles. They're not even written, they're audio. You can make columns in certain publications. You can do book observes. You can do series of posts or articles. Christopher Kokoski is my Medium username. Check me out to read all of my articles. Hey guys, thanks for watching all the way through this video. Again, if you like this video, please hit that like button. Please subscribe. I really appreciate that. Check out the link in the description of my video so that you can read my Medium articles and see what kind of things I'm doing on the platform. I write several articles about how to be successful on the platform and also how to be successful on YouTube. So go ahead and check that out. Please hit subscribe, hit that like button. Thanks so much for watching this video. I really appreciate you. I'll see you at the next one.